and welcome to Season 6 of Community Storytelling. I'm Lissa Kreisler. Thank you so much for being with me here at KCAT TV 15. And before I introduce you to the most amazing young woman, I got to thank our sponsors. We have Linda Lester of Lester Square, who has been with us all 6 seasons. And we have Tyler Taylor, who brought us SASSY, which means Successful Aging Solutions and Community Consulting. Okay, let me introduce you, my friend. Actually, I'm a customer, and you may be after this too. Her name is Madeline Pollack. She is a graduate of Los Gatos High School, a recent graduate of Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and you're a twin, and you have a best friend, and all 3 of you are involved in this most amazing company, Kit and Sis. Okay, we got to introduce the 2 who are not here.
Yes, of course. So my twin sister is Gaby Pollack, and then our best friend is Kate Lally, and together we are Kit and Sis.
And you've been best friends since, what, the age of 2?
Pretty much, since like preschool.
And you played dolls, which is my love, which is why I was drawn to you when I found out who you were. You played dolls. You love arts and crafts, but not only played dolls, you played with American Girl dolls, which is, I guess you started a business called AG Sisters.
Right, so we started as AG Sisters, and then as the company grew, we transitioned to Kit and Sis, but same mission and all of that.
So you were 13 years old, and the 3 of you, and you're a business graduate.
Yes.
Your twin is going to be a business graduate, and I'm not sure what.
So Kate is graphic design and marketing.
Okay, so you need all 3.
Exactly.
But you go into business at the age of 13, and tell everybody what you were doing.
Yeah, so growing up, we used to love playing with our dolls and crafting with them. And as we got older, we kind of started putting all of our doll stuff away and all the creations we made. And the families we used to babysit for were like, hey, can you come teach our kids some of your crafts? They're always on their iPads, or there's too much TV time. We want them to be creative, and they love their dollies. So like, maybe this will be interesting to them. So we started doing that, and we realized, okay, we nanny for all these different families. All these little kids love their dollies and crafting. Like, why don't we create a summer camp for them to all meet each other and be able to craft together? So when we were 13, we created our dream summer camp, which was the AG Sisters Summer Camp, and it was 3 days full of dolly and me crafting and playing with dolls, and it was like the most amazing experience.
I'm getting the chills just listening to it, because where were you when my girls were little? So you did that for how many years?
So we did that until we graduated high school. So we did that until we were 18 years old doing summer camps. But after our first summer camp, we had such a great success from it that we started doing birthday parties and quarterly craft events. And yeah, up until we graduated.
And you brought Kate's grandma into this, because I think you were having your camps at her house in Saratoga.
Exactly. We started our summer camps at Kate's grandma's house. Gran was, the ultimate summer camp counselor and helped us grow our business. It really started in her backyard.
So then all of a sudden, let's see, you're entering Los Gatos High School. What year did you start Kit and Sis?
We started Kit and Sis, in 2014, because we were 13. Yeah.
And did you tell us the cute name behind Kit and Sis,
so
where
Kit
that
and
came
Sis,
from?
Yeah. So when it came time, we rebranded about 2 years ago, because we were like, we want to grow the business. We need to have a name that really represents us. So growing up, Gabrielle's my twin sister, and we've always called each other Sis. So we don't call each other our first names, it's Sis. And then growing up, our nickname for Kate was always Kit. I have no idea why, but that was her nickname.
Close enough.
Exactly. So together, it's Kit and Sis.
So growing up, how did your parents know which sis they were talking to?
Right?
I know you're not identical twins, because I've met Gaby as well. But I mean, who's sis 1 and sis 2?
Right. It gets confusing. We just both respond at this point.
And then you go off to Cal Poly. So already we know you're fabulously smart. And you continue this even in college.
Yes.
And I know it's not just, and my granddaughters, I'm very happy to say, every December, we go to the Kit and Sis, Dolly and Me tea party at the St. Francis. This will be coming year will be, I guess, my 3rd year.
Yes.
And it's so much fun. You have a real tea party at this fabulous hotel, and then you have a craft table, and the girls make 4 crafts, and sign me up already. I'm there again.
Oh my gosh, yay!
And then I always go to help out and don't know how to make anything, and you have to come over anyway. But I mean, it's amazing, because not only are you making money, but you're giving away charity. You're giving to charity. Tell us
Yes.
which charity you support, because
Yes.
I love this.
Yeah, so we are really passionate about supporting the Ronald McDonald House here. We go to the one locally in Stamford. So every holiday season, we donate a few different American Girl dolls to their toy drive, where the parents living at the Ronald McDonald facilities can pick out toys for their children who are undergoing treatment and their children who are siblings of the patients. And we're really excited to be a part of that. And then we also give back to schools with our Dolly and Me craft parties and different craft products, just trying to inspire creativity.
Who are you? I mean, what young person is thinking almost as much about giving as getting?
Yeah. Well, I mean, for us, just the joy of playing with our dolls as a kid brought us so much happiness and creativity that we want to be able to share that with as many kids as we can.
So what is the future? Because now you're a college grad.
Yes.
And what more can you be doing? It sounds like it's a very successful business.
Yes, we've done really well over the years. You know, when you got to college, we transitioned our business from not only being events, but also product lines. So launching our subscription boxes and our individual crafts. So now that I'm out of college, it's taking the business full time. I've been doing it part time while being a student. So my other two business partners have one more year of college, and then we're taking the business and growing it. The dream is to be kind of the household name for childhood creativity.
So you're CEO.
CEO.
Gaby is CFO.
Yes.
And Kate is
CMO,
CMO, which
yes.
is marketing officer or
Yes,
something
yes.
like that. And do you ever fight?
I mean, we've been friends for so long. I think we can read each other really well, where we're like, okay, friend mode, work mode.
And are you guys making enough money to live on?
Not at the moment.
Not-
So
but
that's
you're
the
on-
goal, though.
Yeah, you're
We're
on your
making
way.
money, we're making a profit, but not for the three of us to be living on our own yet.
But it's coming.
It's coming. That's the goal.
Because now it's full time. But
Yeah.
how can you expand? What are your thoughts?
Yeah, so our thoughts are expanding our product lines for sure. We launched our single craft packs last year, and those have been a huge hit. They're just $9 crafts. So growing that line with different products and having more limited edition products. And then we're doing our subscription boxes still, which are awesome, and really growing our events line. So we haven't figured out how we're going to do that, but our events are a huge, really popular for the business, and we want to be able to offer, most of the time we have to people no, because we don't have enough people or enough time to do it. So finding a way to really expand that and add more people to our team.
What did Cal Poly think of you? I mean, how many students don't have their degrees yet, but they already are entrepreneurs and have their own company? That's amazing.
I mean, we were really lucky to go to Cal Poly. They have the most amazing entrepreneurship program. That's why I chose the school. And so that program really supported us through the years. We were in their Shark Tank, it's an accelerator program where we got $10,000 grant, and we lived in SLO all summer. This was 2 years ago, and got help from lawyers, CPAs, anybody we needed, they provided for us to help grow the business. So that's really when our product line launched, was with the help of Cal Poly.
So I think we need to go on Shark Tank.
I think that's the next step. Yes.
I mean, really, you have all the ingredients.
Yes.
They're going to want numbers. I'm sure
Right.
you have numbers.
Yes.
Do you have decent numbers?
Decent numbers, yes.
Hello.
I think
We've
that's
got
the
to
next
start
move.
working on that.
Yes.
You got time now. You know, they do auditions all the time, and
Yes.
sometimes I know they come to Silicon Valley.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That's the next thing on the list.
And then somehow sneak my name in there.
Yes, exactly. Lisa gave us the idea.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I got some free time.
Yeah.
And I got granddaughters. I could maybe come
Yes.
into this
Oh,
little foray.
totally. Yes.
So it's pretty amazing. Your parents must be so proud of you.
Thank you. They really are. They've been the best support and just really encouraging us to, go after our dreams and try it.
Now that I've brought you in here and I've shown Kit and Sis, people are going to say, okay, I want this woman to come to my house. How do they get in touch with you?
Yeah, so you can check us out online at kitandsis.com or on Instagram at kitandsis.
That easy.
Yeah.
That easy.
That
And
easy.
I guess I've been, you know what? I've been trying to get you on for 2 years. I actually nominated you. And this is how it works. So you see, you just nominate somebody who you say, oh, that person has to be sitting right here on the chair or on the sofa at KCAT TV 15 with Lissa Kreisler. It's so easy. You go to kcat.org, you go to Community Storytelling, you look for the nomination, and I'll be sitting next to you next time. I am so proud of you,
Oh,
and
thank
you're
you
so
so
delightful.
much.
And yes, bigger things are coming. That's for sure.
Awesome.
Madeline Pollack, I told you you had to meet her, and now you have. Thanks for being with us today. Community Storytelling at its finest. I'm Lissa Kreisler, and thanks for being with us at KCAT TV 15. Come walk with me through Leicester Square, whereas Mr. Rogers would always say it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and it's always a beautiful day in Leicester Square. We're located at the corner of Los Gatos Boulevard and Blossom Hill Road, and there is so much variety here in Leicester Square. I think you can probably find anything you need. Linda Lester, we thank you in Los Gatos for all you do, and we thank you for bringing us such a fabulous neighborhood shopping center. Successful Aging Solutions and Community Consulting, also known as SASCC, or as we like to say SASSY, has been serving the needs of the 55-plus population for over 40 years. They're the team that created the Ride Senior Transportation and gives us the Outlook Community newspaper. Learn more about their mission to make life better for all ages at www.sascc.org. And we thank Sassy for supporting KCAT TV 15.